Hi, Superman Kev. So, I'm making a video today. It's one of those times when you make a video and your whole day, everything seemed to go wrong. We were supposed to meet up with the Canadian guys. We were going to be meeting up for breakfast. And of course, when you have four moto vloggers together and nobody takes any video, I couldn't get my camera to work. At breakfast, I missed that shot. Anyway, to make a long story even longer, this video, stay tuned till the end, because I gotta tell you, it has just been one gong show after another on our ride. It ended up having a nice ride. You know what? Enough of this. Let's get into it. Good morning, Superman Kev 2001. So today, the Canadian guys are getting together. We're going to talk about our trip down to VAM this summer, and we're meeting for breakfast. So we're gonna head on out, and we're gonna see what's happening in Orangeville and go have some breakfast. Morning, Richard. How are you? Yeah, I just turned on the camera. I figure I should capture some of this liquid sunshine. This is how you motovlog, Richard. You just got to be really organized.
Good Lord, Kevin, are you all right?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. Look at now. I got my mics on. There. Oh yeah, that feels good. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't look like you're gonna get tied up at all.
Oh, gravel. I love gravel. Richard, why do you always take me on these paved roads when there's all this good gravel? I guess. I lost Superman. He fell off. So we're gonna have to put Superman back on.
That's not losing it, it's ghosted.
It's ghosted. Hey Richard.
Hey Kev.
How you doing? So what are we doing?
Oh, driving around.
All right.
Kill some bugs.
Kill
soak
bugs.
up some water.
Soak
Getting
up
the
some
bikes extremely dirty. Oh
yeah.
my god.
Oh my god, look at that thing. It's filthy. Filthy. All right. There we go. Let's do it. What can it see? Yeah, that looks pretty good. We can go that way, turn around, and come back. Richard, what are you doing?
Stripping.
Stripping?
Got any small
Should I throw a weenie at you?
Cardo, radio off. Thank you. Love that.